Cottage friends. This is Lorna with Cottage Necessities. Today I have this lampshade here from, it's from a Target lamp, a floor lamp, and it's basically square. And I've got a collection here of some beautiful hibiscus flowers that I've pressed in the microwave. I've also got a few of these little cabbage fronds that I got in a bouquet, which I think look really pretty, along with these hibiscus. They're lavenders and pinks. And today we're going to decoupage a lampshade. So first what we're going to do is I'm using Mod Podge. You can use a watered down glue if you have it. And I'm just going to start putting Mod Podge on the surface of one side. I'm going to just do one side. And then I'm just going to go over the top of it, kind of press it down in. We're going for a Hawaiian look. A Hawaiian was established probably in the 30s and 40s in Hawaii. It's kind of an old-fashioned look. But this craft of decoupaging lampshades was probably first known to be done in Sweden. Since I got a little bit of glue on that one, I'm going to go ahead and put that one over here. Now, since these are so thin when they've been dried, they can handle overlapping each other just a little bit. Now this one probably cooked a little longer in the microwave than expected, but it came out a nice kind of amber color. I really like the color. I discovered that they're like this one here that I'm doing right now. I left it in for 2 minutes, and I found that 1:30 was ideal for these because they are so fragile, and they do, as we can see, they're tearing very easily. So we don't want to do too many brush strokes. Just use your brush to kind of press the flower down. So you can kind of see what we're doing here. Decoupaging the lampshade. Once these dry a little bit more, I'll probably go over with another coat of the Mod Podge. So we're going to let this dry, and then we'll come back.